Struggling with your plumbing or heating? Don't know where to turn? Need a helping hand? When faced with a plumbing repair, be a superhero with Herofix. Our team of experienced and skilled plumbers will work with you over the phone to fix your plumbing or heating problem. It's never been easier to book a video call with a friendly member of our team at a time convenient with you. You'll not only save time, but money too. From blocked toilets and leaky taps to broken boilers. With clear step-by-step guidance, we can get you going in the right direction. You can fix or diagnose your problem with Herofix at a fraction of the cost of a regular plumber's call-out fee within 15 minutes. Let us talk you through how to repair the issue, then sit back and celebrate a job well done. Visit our website today to arrange your video call and become a hero in your home. We're here whenever you need us. Herofix.com